Guys, welcome back to another video on Fix It Facts. My name's Fix It. Today we are going to be doing some commercial grade fire alarm testing with the fire alarm company. I don't know if I can say what company it is or where I'm going to be doing this testing, but stay tuned because it's 7 o'clock in the morning and I'm going at 8, so I have an hour wait, and I haven't been able to sleep all night. I got 1 hour of sleep with Fredwin, so stay tuned, and I will be right back, right before we leave or right when we get there. Okay, here we go. I hope you guys are excited.
Ready? Come on. Oh, this might be a bad one. No? Come on. Any fire alarm device, right?
Yeah.
There it is now. Oh, come on. There you go. Come on. There it is. Come on. Oh, this might be a bad one. Oh. Yeah, we should replace this one. Yeah, we should replace that one.
Didn't have a bad one. This one should be better.
Oh, yeah.
These ones are much harder.
Yeah, of course.
I know you.
This one's loud.
Come on.
So we just got this one instead. Okay. Uh-oh. Please tell me this one doesn't work. Oh.
Ready?
Yep. Perfect. And then there's three heats. Actually, there might be one in there.
This one shouldn't.
Well,
There you go.
one light bulb, it's creepy.
Oh boy.
It looks cooler with the lights off.
There you go.
All right. Let's see if I can get the door open here. This is the sneaky.
Pop the
That hand
hinges.
here. Let's see if I can get a hinge out.
Come on. It's just weight sitting on there. There we go. Yeah, the person who has the code for that is not here right now. There we go.
Just make sure we didn't go through this for nothing. Oh, there it
Oh,
is.
it doesn't look very fire safe.
Okay. And then I'll put it back
Oh.
together when you guys are done.
Is that high heat?
Is it bad?
I don't think it's a high heat. Could be bad, so I might have to replace it. Let's see.
Yay!
If I heat it anymore and it pops, the alarm's gonna keep going. Okay, hold
Want me
on.
to run down to silence?
No, it's walk test.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's not.
Oh, looks like we got a bad test. Wow, that was amazing. And now we're gonna go outside and come back to the panel. Alright, you guys. Now we just have to turn the breaker back onto the panel. And attention, attention, the fire alarm test is over. Please resume to your normal activities. Thank you. We're ready for building now, and I'm at the panel here. So this is delicious. This is great. Yeah, it works. That's wonderful. Look at the grossness. Okay, time to ring the bells. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Fire! Run! Oh my gosh! Good, good, good. All good.
Good.
Yep. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and click that bell. Thanks for watching. Goodbye now.